Hi everybody, Amy here. Welcome to my channel. This is week 3 of the Halloween collaboration that I am doing with Mandie's Place. There are about 30 other gals that are involved, and I will link all of their channels down below. So you're going to want to go and check them out. If you're new and you haven't seen any of these awesome projects yet, you're going to want to go play a little bit of catch up, because there are some amazing ideas, amazing crafts, amazing goodies, just so much fun stuff going on. So, like I said, I'll link everybody's channels down below. This week, I created a big bow clutch bag, and this was inspired by Mixed Up Craft. And I just recently heard about this channel through Sparkling Char. Sparkling Char had a project share where she made, you know, those big paper backpacks, and so she had sent me over to Mixed Up Craft. I was gonna go and try that out, and she had just uploaded this big bow clutch, and I was like, oh my gosh, the backpack's gonna have to wait. I have to make this. So these are so cool, you guys, and you wouldn't even believe how easy they are to make. Look at this. Is this not cool or what? So, and then the side is like that. And there's the back. And I think these are 10 inches. No, they're 8. Oop, I've got little post-it dots here. These are 8 inches. So they're 5 by 8 once you create the box. They are super easy to make, you guys. You wouldn't even believe it. I will link Mixed Up Crafts, or Mixed Up Craft. I will link her channel down below so you can go over there and check out this tutorial. It's so easy to follow, and these are incredibly easy to make. So this is one of them that I made with this big black bow. I just love it. And when you open it up, it has a magnet on this end, and then there's a magnet on the inside. But look at how much room you have to stuff it. Like, this is 2 inches wide, so you could put anything in here. Socks, makeup, fun stuff, paper products, whatever you wanted. And I love how the closure is magnetic. The only thing is that I don't have the really super thin, the really super thin flat magnets. I'm going to lay it that way. All I have are these that are a little bit wider. So if anybody has an Amazon link and knows where I can find the really super thin magnets, please let me know down below, and I will go over there and I will order some. Because I really want these wider ones just don't look good. It leaves a little gap. It works fine. It works just fine. But it leaves a little bit of a gap, as you can see, and I don't like the way that looks. So these I'm not going to give to anybody. I'm going to make some just like this for the swap. But this one in particular, and then I made this one, is so cute. And I'll explain how I did this background in a minute. But here, let me zoom out just a little bit. But yeah, I really need to find some of the thinner magnets. So, you know, please let me know if you've got an Amazon link, and I'll need to get over there and order some ASAP so that I can redo, so I can make a couple more for the swap, because these were my practice ones and I just don't feel comfortable giving them until I have the right type of magnet. So aren't these adorable, you guys? The paper that I used is from a Recollections paper bag from like 2 years ago. I don't even know what it's called. I don't have the container. But if you look, I also put one of those. It's really simple. So it's just this decorative cardstock and then a large black bow. I wanted it to be kind of elegant looking. And then I just punched out a little, another piece of the decorative paper, and then another piece of black cardstock, which I outlined with gold, a gold leafing pen. And then one of these recollection images that, you know, changes as you move it. So we've got the pretty girl, and then she changes into like a skeleton. Oop. Yeah, you know what I'm talking about. I'm sure you all have these, or you've at least seen them. So I think that these are awesome. There is so much room in here to stuff all kinds of goodies. The only thing that I also would do differently is I would probably line the bottom of this with another piece of cardstock just to make the bottom sturdier. But the sides you want to be able to move in and out. And like I said, it just has a magnetic closure. So that is super cute. I'm in love. They're super quick and easy to whip up. And then I made this one out of just plain black cardstock. And the back is kind of goofy. I used this Krylon spray webbing. This is from the Wisconsin Craft Market, which they don't even have anymore. So that just goes to show how old this is and how long I've had this. I want to say I've had this for about 12 years. And I can't believe it still worked. I thought it'd be all dried up, but it worked. So first I made the box out of just plain black cardstock. And then I took it out to the garage and put some of the spray webbing on it. Then I just took some orange cardstock, and this also has the magnetic closure. But as you can see, it's kind of all goopy. This is my practice one. So I need thinner magnets. So please let me know if you guys have a link to, you know, a really good deal on a large quantity of magnets. Because I am going to be making a bunch of these. You need 2 magnets for each one, and you need 1 piece of 12 by 12 cardstock and 1 piece of 8 by 8 cardstock. So this, you know, like I said, this is just black cardstock with the silver spray webbing and then orange paper. And then I just punched out another piece of black cardstock, put one of these wooden recollection ghosts on there. I think they're recollections, again, from a couple years ago. And then I just kind of went around and added some glitter. But yeah, this is really cool, you guys. I think this is a really fun thing that you could put in Happy Mail. You wouldn't want to put too many small things in there because, as you can see, there is a little gap down at the bottom. But you could fill that with some of that, you know, shredded paper stuff, and that would help, you know, when you put your little goodies in there. You could make these for any occasion. I mean, they are super adorable, and they're huge. So they're perfect when you want to send a bunch of little things to a friend, and this is just a nice way to package it up. And then they still have this nice little decorative piece that they can, you know, put up as a decoration in their craft room. So that is my project share for week 3. Thank you all so much for watching. Get over there and check out all of the other channels, and I will see you next week. Bye.